So you just received your xTool P2, and now you're wondering, what is a good project for a beginner? Then let me show you how I built this cute little airplane. I used the cardboard sheets that are provided with the machine. I measured their thickness, 3.3 millimeters. I just laid the sheet flat on the bed, no need for clamping. The files for this project are available on the xTool's website. This means I was able to open them in xTool Creative Space with just one click. After connecting to the device, I was able to take a picture of the workpiece and use it as a background in the software. With that done, I could place each of the parts on the cardboard, trying to place them as close as possible one to another. The only thing I needed to ensure was that the inner contours were included with the outer ones, like in this propeller for example. I excluded the parts that were not on the sheet by selecting them and clicking Ignore. I then selected the parts that I did want to cut, and this time clicked Output, Cut, and selected the material that I used. Once the material was selected, I could use it as a reference for the power and speed settings, which means default value were suggested by the software for the selected cut operation. The software can measure the thickness of the workpiece at any point by simply clicking on the picture at the desired location. That was it for the settings. Now to get the machine to start cutting, I just had to click Process, Start, and press the button on the machine. I found that watching the cutting operation was super satisfying. I carefully detached the parts. They came off easily because the machine did a precise cut. I then placed a second cardboard sheet in the machine for the remaining parts, though I could have cut on both sheets at once, since you can position the parts precisely with the software and there's enough space for both sheets in the machine. But I didn't think of that since it was my first project. So I had to position the remaining parts again using the exact same steps in the software. And then I launched the second cutting operation. The last step involved assembling the airplane, and for this, I hired my sister. And here's the end result. Isn't it cute? Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and to see you in the next one.